Mount Everest Base Camp, a dream for adventure lovers. But how hard is it to get there? Let's make it simple and talk about the Everest Base Camp Trek difficulties. The Everest Base Camp Trek is not easy, but it is not impossible. You don't need climbing skills, but you do need endurance, patience, and determination. Let's see what makes this trek a challenge. Number 1. Altitude and acclimatization. The biggest challenge is altitude. Everest Base Camp is located at 5,364 meters above sea level. Up there, the air is thin and your body gets less oxygen. This can cause altitude sickness with symptoms like headache, nausea, tiredness, difficulty breathing, etc. Please make sure you have few days to help your body acclimatize while on trek. If you want to know more about altitude sickness, please check my other video, link in the description. Number 2. Length and duration. 12 to 14 days trek covers about 120 kilometers. You will walk 5 to 8 hours daily, covering 10 to 15 kilometers. That's a lot of walking, so that it can get tiring. Number 3. Terrain and trails. The path changes a lot. Some parts are flat, but most of the trekking days are rocky and steep up and down. You will cross rivers of suspension bridges and hike uphill and downhill. Some sections, especially near Gorakshep, are tough walking on the glacier, but rewarding. Number 4. Weather and temperature. The weather can be unpredictable. In the best trekking season, spring and autumn, the skies are clear, but it can still get very cold at night, sometimes as low as -10 degrees Celsius or more. Winter season brings snow and the monsoon season has rain, making the trek even harder. Number 5. Physical fitness. You don't have to be a professional athlete, but you do need to be in a good shape. The trek involves walking for many days and dealing with high altitude challenges. Building your fitness before the trek will make it easier. Number 6. Mental challenge. The trek is also a mental challenge. Long days, tough trails, and changing weather can feel overwhelming. Staying positive and focused will help you reach your goal. Number 7. Accommodation and food. Tea houses along the trail are basic but cozy. You will sleep in small rooms and bathrooms are shared. Meals are simple but filling, with lots of rice, noodles, and potatoes to energize you. Number 8. Preparation and support. Preparing well is key. Bring good trekking boots, warm clothes, and gear like sleeping bag and poles. Hiring guides and porters can also make the trek easier and more enjoyable. So how difficult is the Everest Base Camp Trek? It's a mix of physical and mental challenges, but doable with good preparation and determination. And when you finally reach the base of Mount Everest, the feeling is unforgettable. If you have more queries, feel free to comment below. I'm there to answer for you. Cheers. See you in the Himalayas.